Today I'm going to solve one based word problem on simplification. As usual, subscribe this channel to get additional videos that I'll post weekly. And this channel is called BEEK Academy, and on BEEK Academy, aptitude test questions with their solutions is presented, and students and graduates who are searching for a job, if you join this channel, you will get a benefit. So subscribe this channel. Now let's go to the question. Question number 167. A man divides $8,600 among 5 sons, 4 daughters, and 2 nephews. If each daughter receives 4 times as much as each nephew, and each son receives 5 times as much as each nephew, how much does each daughter receive? A. 100, B. 200, C. 500, D. 800. Now what is given here is a word problem, and you have to convert this word problem into mathematical equation and solve for what is required here. So the best thing here is there is enough information, and there is a total amount that is divided, and the total amount is $8,600. But the man divides this total amount of dollar to 5 sons, 4 daughters, and 2 nephews. Again, there is additional information which says that the share of each daughter is 4 times the share of the nephew. And again, the share of each son is 5 times the share of each nephew. Then you have to find out the share of each nephew, the share of each son, and the share of each daughter. Again, you can find out the share of the total sons, the share of the total daughter, and the share of the total nephew. So to do that, first let us assume that the share of each nephew is, say, $X. Okay, the share of each nephew is assumed to be $X. Again, if the share of each nephew is $X, it is given that the share of each daughter is 4 times the share of each nephew. That means the share of each daughter is equal to 4 times the share of that of the nephew, or it is equal to $4X. Again, it is given that on the question, the share of each son is 5 times the share of each nephew. So the share of each son is $5X. Now you get the share of each nephew, the share of each daughter, and the share of each son. But there are 2 nephews, and the total share of all the nephew is 2X. And again, there are 4 daughters. Then the share of the total daughter is 4 times by 4X. And there are again 5 sons. So the total share of the sons is 5 times by 5X. And the total share of all the sons, the daughter, and the nephews is equal to 8,600. And you can write this one as such. So 5 times by 5X, which is the share of the total sons, and 4 times by 4X, which is the share of the total daughters, or the share of the 4 daughters, 2 times by X, which is the share of the 2 nephews. And adding all this, that means 5 times by 5X plus 4 times 4X plus 2 times X is equal to $8,600. And 5 times 5x is 25, 4 times 4x is 16, and 2 times by x is 2x. You can have 2x times 2x plus 16 plus 16x plus 2x, which is equal to 8,600. Now you can add 25x plus 16x plus 2x, which is equal to 43x, which is equal to 8,600. Divide both sides by 43, you get x is equal to 200. But x means the share of each nephew. Remember, here on the first step we have said that, or we have assumed that the share of each nephew means $x. So you get x, which is equal to the share of each nephew. Now, what is required or what is asked on the question is to find out the share of each daughter. And the share of each daughter is 4 times by the share of each nephew. So you get the share of each nephew 200. Then 4 times by 200 is the share of each daughter, which is equal to, again, 800. So the share of each daughter is $800. And you can your answer for this question is choice D. Okay, this is all about for today. And till now, from part 1 up to part 53, I have just provided you 164 aptitude test questions with their solutions. If you know how to solve all these 167 questions correctly, and you will be a better competitor in any type of examinations. When you encounter such type of aptitude test questions. So be a member of this channel, and I will provide you weekly similar aptitude test questions on various topics. If you are a student, and again, if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, this channel is very important for you. It will provide you best questions and with their answers and on how to solve those questions, and it is a best guide, I hope, for students and job seekers. So subscribe it, and again share it to your best friends and families. እሺ እስካሁን ድረስ ምናልባት ከፓርት 1 እስከ ፓርት 53 ድረስ 167 የሚሆኑ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን በተለያዩ ርዕሶች ዙሪያ ለማቅረብ ተሞክሯል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች 167 የሚሆኑ ጥያቄዎች ከነ አሰራራቸው ነው በቪዲዮ የቀረበላችሁ። ምናልባት እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እየያዛችሁ በደንብ አሰራሩን እየተመለከታችሁ መማር ከቻላችሁ በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ለምትፈተኑት ፈተና በተለይ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት በሚመጣባቸው ፈተናዎች ላይ የስራ ውድድር ፈተና፣ የማትሪክ ፈተና፣ የዩኒቨርሲቲ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም እና ሌሎችም ላይ የተሻለ ውጤት በማስመዝገብ ፈተናውን ማለፍ እንደምትችሉ እርግጠኛ ነኝ። ወደፊትም ተመሳሳይ የሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን ከናሰራራቸው የማቀርብላችሁ ስለሆነ ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ ብትሆኑ የተሻለ ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ ብዬ አምናለሁ። ምናልባት በእኛ ሀገር ላይ በተወሰነ አጋጣሚ ለፈተና ለመዘጋጀት አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ለማግኘት ገበያ ላይ መጽሐፍ ለመግዛት ሞክሬ አውቃለሁ። የተወሰኑ 1-2 መጽሐፎች አሉ። እነዛን መጽሐፎች ሙሉ አይደሉም፣ የተሟሉ አይደሉም። በተወሰነ ኤሪያ ብቻ በተወሰነ ርዕስ ብቻ የታጠሩ ናቸው፣ የተሟሉ አይደሉምና ክፍተት አለባቸው። በመሆኑም ያንን በማየት ሌሎች ሰዎች እንደኔ እንዳይቸገሩ በማሰብ ነው ይህን ቻናል አዘጋጅቼ ለማቅረብ የሞከርኩት። ብትማሩ ብታዩት ቤተሰብ ብትሆኑ ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ የሚል እምነቱ ስላለኝ ነው። አመሰግናለሁ።